Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start exercise number 6.8, question number 2. The statement is find two solutions for the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. As you can see students that this equation have two variables. We have to find out the value of both variables. To find out the value of both variables, first we will assume the value of any one variable, then we will put in the equation and get the solution and get the value of other variable. So in first solution we will put x is equal to 0. As you can see that we will write the statement by putting value x is equal to 0. 2x plus y is equal to 3 is our given equation. So on the place of x we will write 0. 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 3. When we multiply 2 into 0 we got 0 plus y is equal to 3. As you can see students that on other hand 0 will subtract from 3 but it have none effect, so y is equal to 3. So in first solution we have x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Now moving towards our second solution. In this solution we will put x is equal to 1. So we will write our statement by putting value x is equal to 1. 2x plus y is equal to 3 is our given equation. On a place of x we will write 1. So we will write 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 3. When we multiply 2 into 1 we got 2 plus y is equal to 3. Here as you can see that 2 is adding with y. On other hand it will subtract from 3. So we will write y is equal to 3 minus 2. And then in next step we will write y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So our answer is we have two solution sets 0, 3 and 1, 1. Students must remember that first value must be of x and second value must be of y. Now moving towards question number 4. The question statement is find 4 solutions for the equation y is equal to 2x. Students, in this question we will again repeat our process which we have learned in last question. We will assume the value of x and by putting the value of x we got the value of y. So here we start our solution. Here is our first solution. Here we will assume x is equal to 0. So we will write the statement by putting value x is equal to 0. We will use our given equation y is equal to 2x. On a place of x we will write 0. So we will write 2 into 0. By multiplying both we got 0. So y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now here is our second solution. In this solution we will assume x is equal to 1. So we will write our statement by putting value x is equal to 1. Here is our equation y is equal to 2x. On a place of x we will write 1. We will write 2 into 1. When we multiply both we got 2. So y is equal to 2. So the value of x is equal to 1 and the value of y is equal to 2. Now here is our third solution. In this solution we will assume x is equal to 2. So we will write our statement by putting value x is equal to 2. On a place of x we will write 2. So we will use our equation y is equal to 2x. 2 into 2. When we multiply both we got 4. Then y is equal to 4. In this solution we got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Now students, here is our fourth solution. In this solution we will assume x is equal to 3. So we will write our statement by putting value x is equal to 3. We will use our given equation y is equal to 2x. By putting values we will write 2 into 3. By multiplying both we got 6. So y is equal to 6. Here we got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. Now students, we will write our answer by arranging all the 4 solutions. First we will write 0, 0, then 1, 2, then 2, 4 and then 3, 6. Students must remember that in all given solution sets, first values refers to the value of x and the second values are value of y's. Now students, moving towards our question number 5. The question statement is 1, 2, a solution set of x plus y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 7y is equal to 16. Students, in this question they have given us the solution set 1 and 2. As you know that 1 is the value of x and 2 is the value of y. So we will write the values of x and y turn by turn in given equations 1 and 2 and we will prove if the left hand side answer is equal to right hand side answer. So we will say that this solution set is of given equations. Now moving towards the solution. Here is our first equation given to us, x plus y is equal to 3. By putting value of x and y, as I told you that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So we will write x plus y is equal to 3. On a place of x we will write 1 and on a place of y we will write 2. By adding both we got 3. Then 3 is equal to 3. Now students, here is the equation which is given to us, 2x plus 7y is equal to 16. Now we will put the value of x and y in the equation. On a place of x we will write 1 and on a place of y we will write 2. So we will write 2 into 1 plus 7 into 2 is equal to 16. Now by multiplying 2 into 1 we got 2 plus 7 into 2 we got 14 is equal to 16. When we add 2 and 14 we got 16 is equal to 16. As you can see students that in both equation the answer of right hand side and left hand side is equal. So we will write our answer statement as, so 1, 2 is solution set of both equation given to us, which are x plus y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 7y is equal to 16. Thank you.